Bierer Meters, here in South Carolina, we're made in the USA, family operated and owned company. And here's our brochure. You can go to bierermeters.com, check it out. And the website, you can actually download the PDF of our brochure. It's a really neat brochure. It is a brochure with a lot of QR codes that take you to training videos and a couple safety training videos as well. So make sure you get on Bierer Meters YouTube channel and subscribe. There is approximately, I think there's over 600 videos we have now. Go to playlists, find your particular playlist, and start looking at some of those videos about all of our devices. My brother Joe Bierer, Ryan Bierer, they do a lot of tool training videos, and then we got a lot of safety videos as well that you can go to. A lot of ECOS, electric culture of safety items, and just specific training videos. Then we also have our Bierer USA pamphlet. The Bierer USA pamphlet is a trifold, and every page here describes what we do as a family-owned company to service the utility Bierer USA. Bierer USA is utility, support, assistance. And this shows you everything we do. Field training, we attend and speak at work methods, tool methods meetings, and we do a lot of presentations around the country, safety meetings as well. All right? Then we have a Lineworker Safety Tool Competence 4-session workshop that we offer all around the country. We've been training linemen for going on 10 years now, tool safety. And this 4 sessions, the first session is Lineworker Safety Tool Competence, and this talks about how to use the tools properly. We go over incident prevention. It's very thorough. It talks about proper body position, proper tool position. It's taught in a non-biased manner when you're using voltage detectors, phasing meters, wireless or corded, either one. And then session 2 is talking about your electric reality, as far as how electricity works as a verb between one another as a line crew. And that's really cool. It talks about a lot of soft skills, leadership skills, communication skills, how to connect with each other. And then what we do, we have a nice lunch. Afterwards, we go outside on some live line, maybe some substation, maybe some 3-phase overhead with a 3-phase pad mount nearby with some secondaries on it. And then we'll combine sessions 1 and 2, and we talk about things, and we do live line, and we talk about and we see how the tools react. And we use our tools kind of like what I like to call lineman experiments. You know, you heard of scientists doing experiments. What's really neat is our tools are so accurate that when you learn how to use our tools properly, you can actually take them out in the field and you can start seeing that energized source and the corona and how your bodies, when you're working, actually couple somewhat, a little bit, with that energized source and that electricity, those electrons that are flowing around. And we compare when you're working safe and when you're working unsafe, the differences of what you see on your body, flowing across your gloves, on your dielectric boots, whatever. So that is an eye-opener. It's always neat to go in session 3 and just everybody starts really connecting and they start seeing their electric reality out in the field. And then session 4 is going to be, it's called Energy Wheel Reinvented. So we came up with this energy wheel about a year ago. Grab a hold of it, go to playlist, Energy Wheel Reinvented playlist. You'll see version 1. Version 2, I just finished the edits yesterday, and it's going to print, and we're going to build them. And they'll be ready for your line crews to have in your hands. The 2.0, Energy Wheel 2.0 will be ready for your line crews in another month, January 2026. Have a lot of interest. Folks are already getting on board and waiting for theirs. Basically, they're around $10 each plus shipping, which is our cost. Okay, we're not making, it's nonprofit, we're not making a dime, and you can take these, the Energy Wheel Reinvented actually shows you how to create a line team. It gives you all the instructions, outline, how to do it. It talks about the 10 energies that can cause harm. For the last 50 years, that's what we've been hearing, the 10 energies that can cause harm. And by looking at the energy wheel, it helps crews stay 43% safer just by being situationally aware of what's around you. But one energy, one portion has been left out for 50 years, and that's people. People can cause harm too. Your own folks on your crews can actually cause harm. And we go over what those key elements could be. What do they look like? What do they sound like? So then side 2 of the Energy Wheel Reinvented, we talk about how to form a team. And it's all positive, good things, things that can help you, which is your people. So anyways, get a hold of those things. Get a hold of Bierer Meters. Contact us, customerservice_bierermeters.com. Call us 803-786-4839. Just get a hold of us, ask questions. We'll help you out and we'll assist you.